Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we will take a deep dive into VOO. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 25th of February, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 24th of February, 2025, our system has ranked VOO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.26. Now let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. The ETF experienced a loss of -0.49%. This amounts to an average loss of -0.24% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is moving within a horizontal trend, and further movements within this trend can be anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 0.751% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -1.17% to +3.97%. Taking a longer view, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 21.99%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 18.73% to 26.18% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $648.81 and $689.54. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline: the VOO ETF price ended at $546.46 on Tuesday after losing 0.488%. The VOO ETF price fell by 0.488% on the last day, which was Tuesday, the 25th of February, 2025, moving from $549.14 to $546.46. It has now experienced declines for 4 consecutive days. During the last trading session, the ETF fluctuated 1.39%, ranging from a low of $542.22 to a high of $549.78. The price has been volatile during this period, resulting in a loss of 1.74% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume increased on the last day by 813,000 shares, even as prices declined. This could be an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 5 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $2.99 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $563.90, while the lowest price was $453.93. Currently, the price is 3.09%, or $17.44, below the 52-week high of $563.90, which also stands as the all-time high for the ETF. In recent developments, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, commonly known as VOO, has exhibited intriguing market activity. On today's episode of ETF Prime, Todd Rosenbluth highlighted VOO's brief surpassing of the SPY ETF, indicating increased interest and potential shifts in investor sentiment towards VOO. This uptick could translate to a short-term boost in its price. Confidence in its performance gathers momentum. On another front, with consumer confidence dipping to 98.3 amid pressures from persistent inflation and rising prices, investors are leaning towards defensive sectors. This suggests a strategic shift towards VOO as a safer investment option during uncertain times, likely bolstering its appeal and stabilizing its price in the long run. Moreover, the ETF industry observed a robust inflow of $29.5 billion last week, with U.S. equity funds leading the charge, further positioning VOO as a popular choice among investors. Given this influx of capital, we might see a positive impact on VOO's stock price as more funds flow into the ETF. With the current market conditions, including a struggling S&P 500 and indications of broader stock-picking opportunities, VOO's adaptability to these trends signals both short-term potential and long-term stability. As investor focus shifts to broader stock performance, VOO's diversified holdings may prove to be a key asset in navigating this landscape. The following signals have been identified for VOO: Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The VOO exchange-traded fund holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the fund. During upward corrections, resistance is expected from the levels of 556.47 cents, as well as 551.77 cents. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal emerged from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, and thus far, it has declined by 3.04%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, close monitoring of the ETF is advised. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 5 days ago. Bollinger revealed a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average also showed a sell signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 24 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average revealed a buy signal 138 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at 538.87, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this ETF is considered quite low. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated by 7.56 between its high and low, representing 1.39%. In the past week, the ETF experienced an average daily volatility of 1.13%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $549.70. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the ETF, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, VOO encounters its first support level at $538.87. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. We have received a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and no stop loss has been established. Is VOO ETF a good buy? Currently, VOO exhibits several negative indicators and is experiencing a downward trend. As a result, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak over the next few days or weeks. Thus, our assessment of this ETF is negative. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 26th of February, we expect VOO to open down 307/100ths of a dollar, starting at $546.15. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.